Before fixing boards to the subfloor using Wunda Rapid Response Adhesive, we strongly advise to first dry lay the rapid response and transitional boards, as the boards will not be able to be moved or adjusted when fixed. The subfloor must be dry, clean, stable, level and free from oil, grease, loose paint and any obstructions. Secure any loose boards, fill any holes or low points in the floor. Where a concrete or screed subfloor is uneven or pitted, remedy with self-leveling renovation screed first. Wunda Spray works best at room temperature. If the environment is too cold, the adhesive will need to be warmed up prior to use. Watch the Wunda Spray advice video for more details. Ensure adequate ventilation. Open windows and doors and avoid use in confined areas. Wear suitable protective gloves, face mask and clothing. Wunda Spray Adhesive is designed specifically for quick and strong bonding onto concrete, screed and wood. It's important to shake the can vigorously before use to ensure the can contents are thoroughly mixed. Spray at a distance of 10 to 20 centimeters towards the substrate surface, applying a uniform and even coat of adhesive and obtain 80 to 100% coverage. Allow it to tack off until no adhesive transfers to the knuckle when touched. Then, position the board pressing down firmly to make good contact. When using Wunda Spray with existing floorboards for maximum contact, both the floorboards and the rapid response or transitional boards may require a covering of adhesive to give a firm and secure fixing. It's considered good practice to perform a test patch first, allowing the adhesive to tack off on both surfaces before bringing them together. Page 3 of instructions has detailed advice to navigate the various scenarios you might find in your own home. Some non-porous floors, such as existing tiles, will need thorough cleaning with a degreasing agent. Apply a coat of spray adhesive to the existing tile surface and the overfloor board. Allow both surfaces to become tacky before bringing them together. Place the board carefully onto the adhesive. Apply an even and firm pressure, making sure the board is in full contact with the adhesive and floor below. For further help and advice, head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.